Welcome back to Wealth Creator series. Today is the fifth episode of Wealth Creator. So far we have discussed 8 excellent stocks, and today we are going to discuss another 2 stocks from large cap area. So as you know, you can wait for appropriate time, you can do your own research and then invest accordingly depending on your risk profile. You will do wonders. So without spending any time, let's move forward. The companies I am talking today is Nestle India Limited. I think every one of us knows Nestle. It's a household product. It brings to all of us and people have been using it for a long time. There was a great opportunity when there was some challenges with Maggie. But I think that type of situation you will not get. If similar situation comes in future, forget everything and just grab it. So ROC of this company is 147% and ROE is 113%. Dividend yield is 1.02, and if you look at debt equity, it is almost close to zero. And let's move forward and look at some of the price parameters. Let us draw maximum time curve. Just see the upward sloping curve. It is just going up and up and up. And it's a fantastic company that way. When you look at P&L, profit loss, in 10 years from 6,000 crore, it is moved to 14,000 crore. So, it's just two times, 2.25 times, but profit has moved from 800 crores to 2,100 crores, almost close to 3 times. And when you look at the equity return, etc., sales growth is around 10%. 3 years 9%, 5 years 10%, and 10 years 7%. Whereas compound profit growth is also in the same region, 13, 18 and 9%. So this company is able to do a much better justice on profit, is able to control the cost and generate extra profit. If you look at the stock investment, CAGR for 3 years is 16%, 5 years 23% and 10 years 15%. So it's a good company to keep in your portfolio. And now let's move forward and look at whether we can buy at this price. Look at the earnings. The bars show the earnings just going up and up and up. Last 2-3 quarters little stagnation, but gradually it keeps on increasing. When you look at the 5 years P compared to the median of 74, it is trading at about 82. So little expensive. So you may wait for some time, then try adding this stock to your portfolio. The second stock which I want to bring to you today is a big multinational company, Indian MNC I will call it. And I have been lucky to work with this company for 5 years. It's Tata Consultancy Services, employing very large number of workforce, about 5 lakhs people today, and growing rapidly. This company has presence all over the world. It serves all the sectors, particularly appreciating rupees. If you look at over the years, rupees have been depreciating at the pace of 4%, which is basically inflation difference between US and India. But thinking that the same trend continues, company like TCS is going to benefit enormously. So this has got a large scale. This has got advantage of inflationary pressure in these two countries or strengthening dollars, and the market is going to continue. So now let's look at the TCS curve and see how Tata Consultancy Services looks like. The ROC is 55%, ROE is 43%, 44%. It's a zero debt company, and dividend yield is 1.33%. When you look at the price chart of this company for long time, see upward trending. This is the first thing I have said. Any stock which you select should be upward trending. And today this price is much lower than 200 DMA. So even at today's price you can invest, because last 1 year or maybe couple of months, all the software company has been going through some challenges in terms of attrition, etc. But these are temporary in nature and they are going to get out of it very soon. So TCS could be a very interesting buying choice actually. So if you look at the 5 years PE, slightly higher, about 3 points higher than 5 years. But if you look at 1 year, you will find it undervalued. So maybe at this price, you can start accumulating TCS. But friends, let me communicate to you that investing in stock is risky. And before investing, please do your own research or consult your investment advisor. Purpose of this video is purely educational, and I am creating a sort of awareness how to pick up excellent company from the space and invest in those companies. Today I have discussed about two stocks, Nestle Limited and Tata Consultancy Services. These are the 9th and 10th stock in wealth creators, large cap series. And with this, the first part of wealth creator series will be over. Now, eventually, I am going to bring some mid cap and small cap companies so that you can have a better wealth creation opportunities as well. So, if you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed so far. Put a bell button, check the bell button so that any new video coming in will come to you. Don't forget liking the video and also make your comment, because your comment is helping me in terms of bringing new and new videos. Circulate these to your channel, to your circle using WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, because I want that most of the people, particularly in engineers and other professionals who have not much idea about stock, they can benefit, they can start investing and create a huge wealth for them at the time of their retirement and can have a very peaceful retirement. So thank you very much for your time and stay engaged.